Hey there, Chris Heath, 27 North Realty, Culvert Home Team. Today I'm at 523 Treviso Drive in this amazing kitchen. This kitchen, sub-zero freezer, sub-zero refrigerator, induction cooktop, Wolf oven. That's just a few of the upgrades of this house. Beautiful pool, multi-hangout areas. Love the way this house is laid out. It's got a modern coastal vibe. 10,000-pound boat lift on the San Juan Canal down here in beautiful Apollo Beach. No bridge restrictions, 10,000-pound boat lift. House is ready to move in. So 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 523 Treviso Drive down here in beautiful Apollo Beach. I'll be here today between 12 and 3. You want more information? Give me a call. Shoot me a direct message. I'd love to show you this beautiful home at 523 Treviso Drive.